AuraFlow 0.1 is a newly released fully open source text-to-image model. Fully open source means open code, open weights, and open licensing. You can directly use the model by downloading it from Comfy UI. With an astonishing parameter count of 6.8 billion, it's no wonder it's the largest in size among fully open source text-to-image models. It has only one drawback. What is that drawback? It's just the 0.1 version, which still has a lot of room for improvement. That means the images it generates now are undertrained. Both its shortcomings and strengths are clearly demonstrated. Let's take a look at the images it generates. In the images I've selected to display, there are actually many different artistic styles represented. It actually feels incredibly powerful but not bulky, and I think this is because of its perfect parameter count. It's like a perfect Pikachu. Back to the workflow, the first part is an official process. Compared to the basic tattoo pattern, what's different except for the recommended sampler and scheduler at the K sampler? A node is connected between models. In addition to updating Confi, you will receive this node. After that, I used the Photo LCM model to refine the image. I saw online that some people use the SD3 model for refinement, but after trying it myself, the results weren't as good, so I still chose the Photo LCM model. The improvement is quite obvious. And if I run this 16 GB model, my GPU memory usage will be between 18 to 19 GB. After all, the model itself is already 16 GB in size, and it's also quite slow. Actually, you don't need to rush to use it right away. You can wait for future versions. I'm just updating information as a blogger. Navigate to Running Harbor AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 gigabytes. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.